Second tools, another tool in these tools is Enhance AI. As you can see, it automatically detects everything in its analyze in a scene, and with one slider, it enhances everything in a scene, and you can make better image. Let's try it with AI. Slider, slider, slider. And as you can see, it creates better and high sharp quality image. You can see it going most over in and quick preview. Boom, boom. This is without enhance. This is with enhance. As you can see, we have more bright environment, sky, and make this 0. And you can enhance just sky. It's automatically detected a sky with a sky enhancer. Let's do it. Wow, as you can see, we have a better. You can also, as you can see, we have more defined clouds and everything. But be careful about the enhancer going to exactly to 100%. Turn it on, off. As you can see, it's completely enhanced our image automatically. It analyzes enhance everything you're seeing. It's one slider. Don't worry about that. It's an AI. It automatically detected for you. If you don't want, you can come back to original, or in action, you can revert to the original if you want. Simple. This is enhance. Okay. This is an AI. Let's open an image that has no sky. For example, this. Again, going to the enhance. I will show you. As you can see, the sky enhancer is turned off because this is an AI. It doesn't detected any sky, so it's turned off. So it's a really AI. Nice. Okay, this is simple enhance.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.